So let's create our first HTML page. So I'll create another folder called as first HTML page. Okay, here we will create a file called welcome.html. This is gonna be your first HTML page. Okay, we'll open brackets because we have opened the top folder. You can see introduction to HTML. You can find your first HTML page. Let's open this up. Okay, so let's start typing our first HTML page. Okay, obviously we have to define our doc type, that is HTML. Then we will define our HTML structure. Okay, what is our structure of an HTML? We have head, then we have body. Okay, and we know whatever you write inside the body is displayed on the content of the browser. And head have meta tag. You can describe about the page. So you can say the char set I'm gonna use is UTF-8, and there's no closing tag for meta tag. Even there is one more meta tag with a different property called as name, and name basically says what you're trying to define. So I'm trying to define a description of my page. And what is the content of it? The content of it is basically this is a HTML page. Okay, this is just an metadata of your page. This is used by your SEO. Let's say when Google comes to your page, index your page, you try to identify what is this description of this page. So when they display this page onto the search results, they use this description as a text to display on the search results. So that's one of the way the meta tag can be useful. It is about describing your page. Okay, so it has different attributes called name and description, and content, you give the content name. But anyway, these details will not be displayed on the browser. It's more about describing about your page. Okay, however, you have title as well. You have title which is displayed onto the title bar of the browser. So you can say welcome to HTML. Okay, now go to body tag, and we'll again learn about heading tags and all those things here. But understand h1 is used to display headings and paragraph is used to display the paragraph. Okay, simple to understand. And we're gonna say welcome to HTML here, and we're gonna say HTML stands for language, and it is used to describe the structure of the page. Okay, how do you preview it? When you click this button, this preview is visible here. Okay, if you don't want the preview, you close this, go to your page, and then you double click it. Okay, whatever is the browser that has been set, you can say I want to use Google Chrome as my default browser, say okay. Okay, and this will open up your page. If you look at the page, that is welcome.html, this file has been opened. And if you look at your code here, okay, you cannot find this description. This is a HTML page. You cannot find it anywhere because this is a meta tag. Well, this is an information about your page. This is useful for search engines who are searching your page and want to know what is this page about. So you're communicating about your page to them, okay, which is not displayed on the browser. And you can find this welcome to HTML here, and you can find the heading displayed onto the browser, and you can find the paragraph displayed onto this web browser as well. So anything that you write inside the body is visible here. Anything that you write inside the head is not visible onto the browser. Okay, so remember that. And whatever we're gonna write in terms of displaying the content onto the browser, we will be writing inside the body. Okay, well, that's how you write the HTML page. So congratulations, and if you have done this exercise, then this is basically your first step towards building websites. And we will be writing so much of code in HTML and understanding how to work with HTML in the upcoming sections. So congratulations and welcome to HTML.